Hi friends, so I should say that there was a beast in the town today, and I'm talking about the Bank Nifty beast. It was very difficult managing positions today. I don't know whether it is because of the Tuesday effect. Usually Tuesdays were not so very problematic. Now it is like Tuesdays, almost all the Tuesdays have become very problematic. Although market moved in one direction, it was continuously trying to move up and down, giving all kinds of false signals. There was no clear clarity with Bank Nifty whether it has to go up or whether it has to go down. It was just trying to go zigzag kind of movement. And that is what I was saying. It was like taming the beast today, and it was very difficult doing the adjustments. A lot of adjustments done today, and I kept my losses very minimal. I did not lose my portfolio capital of 2%. I lost only 0.4% for today, and that is the best part. These kinds of days are very limited. We just have to make sure that we lose little bit of a capital, and when the time comes, we just have to try to grab more profits. That's all. Is all about trading and doing adjustments. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us look into today's trade and try to see what are the adjustments which we did today. Okay, so today's opening was almost flat, and after opening it tried to give a slight bounce, but then it came back, it reversed and it stayed back in the same range. So let us look into the open interest. Today was a bit confusing. So almost you can see at the ATM prices, it's all same values, same strikes. Only thing, a round figure I can see is at 37,000. I can see a big tower. Okay, so you can see all other are almost of equal values and does not give any implication for us. Only one tower is there, and the 36,500 is quite far. So today open interest is not giving us any good clarity, and also looking into the call and put also, it's almost the same. So today I won't be using the open interest because it's not giving me any clarity, no direction as such. Sorry. Okay. So this is how we are paused for today. We are going to start a trade. So I took a normal strangle as always, and you can see the VIX is also increasing, and there is no good decay as of now. So we just have to, might be today we have to wait for longer time to get our profits. Okay. So now you can see friends, Bank Nifty has given a zigzag kind of movement, and I think this area, you can see here a reversal has happened from this area, and it went back, bounced. Again it came back and is trying to cross this area. So this can act as a very good support. So since we did not get a support and resistance from the open interest, I am looking into the price action to find the support and the resistance for today. So this point I will mark it, and since you can see it's trying to break out, I will try to go negative, try to go bearish from this particular level. So as of now it started going down that level, so I have started doing the adjustments. I added extra call positions because I have extra capital with me. I started adding extra call quantity on the lower side, expecting the Bank Nifty, you can see, expecting Bank Nifty to go down from this position. If it continues going down, it will be well and good for us. So as of now it is trying to break the range, and it has formed a good swing. Okay, so you can see it, see the kind of confusion for today. It just tried going down, again it reversed. So then I also added all my other positions as well. Okay, so I added extra capital, I mean whatever capital was there, I added all the extra quantity, and still now I am bearish itself. Okay friends, so this is what I was telling you about the beast mode in Bank Nifty for today. So in the morning at 9:45, I expected it to come down, and I made my position accordingly. I did my adjustments accordingly. But then after that, you can see it made one swing, again it came down. Again it made one more swing, and again it came down. Again then it made a third swing, but this third swing is started continuing going up, and also you can see the kind of gaps it's forming. And the super trend finally changed into green, and then that is why I had to do my adjustments. So this is the super trend which I was waiting for, which I did my adjustments. So now you can see that since the Bank Nifty has reversed, I have come back to a neutral position as of now with equal quantity of call and put, and I lost my profits as well because of the directional bias which I was there. So again to see 2175 quantity and 2175 quantity of call and put on the both sides. Okay. So this is how as it is. Now you can see Bank Nifty is going up. Okay, So from this super trend indicator, once the bank nifty turned positive, after that you can see again it took a dip, again it tried going out, again a dip, again it is going up, but ultimately it was trying to keep keep above the moving average as well as the super trend. So then I had to become bullish now. So accordingly I did my adjustments, and I am this candle made the difference. Okay, so you can see that at this candle this high is broken. This candle has broken both the highs, this high as well and this high as well. Okay, let me just show you. It has broken this high as well as this high. So two times there was a resistance over here, and then this candle has broken this resistance. So this is how we trade with the price action, friends. So even if you are not having the open interest or the technical indicators, you can use the price action to find out the direction of market. Okay, so accordingly you can see I have done my adjustments, and now I am having a heavy quantity of put and a slight quantity of call. So I added extra put as well, so that if bank nifty continues to go up from here, I will be in very good profit. Okay, so the beast mode returns. I was expecting after this the bank nifty to continue keep going up, but it came down after that, and finally the super trend also has changed, and I had to change my bias once again. So this is what I was talking about, the difficulty in trading today. If this kind of movements happen, it is difficult for people like us who do continuous adjustments. Okay, so nevertheless I added all the call positions back, and then now I am slightly bullish only, just having a small quantity of extra put. So I am just trying to maintain a neutral or a bullish view, and let's see if it continues to go down, then I will make myself bearish. Okay friends, so again once again the analysis today, as I told you, bank nifty again proved it wrong. I was expecting it to go down, but then you can see again a sharp reversal, and then again the super trend changed, again a V shape has happened, complete V shape has happened. This really destroyed my profits, my peace of mind for today. I couldn't even eat my lunch also properly because of these kinds of movements happening again in bank nifty. Tuesday was not so very difficult, but I don't know why this has happened now. Okay, so you can see now I'm heavily bullish. So continuously bank nifty has gone up. That is the reason why you can see here. I'll just show you. Continuously from this level it has continuously gone up. So that is why I am completely bullish as of now. And if bank nifty now, at least if it continues the same trajectory, the same motion, I can come out in good profits. But always bank nifty behaves different. So if at all you look the entire chart for today, this is how it is, horrible. Okay, so it is continuing to go up, and you can see the losses have come down to almost 0 level, and there comes the surprise once again. Yes, once again super trend change in direction of motion. It was not going top. I was completely bullish, but then again it reversed back. Super trend also has changed, and then I am back into loss again. So now I have added again little bit of call options to try to manage the downward movement. So you can see the put is remaining the same, but I've just added extra call options, so that whatever it tries to come down, or if it remains sideways also, we can make profit. Okay, so time is close to 3 o'clock now friends, an utter waste of a day. You can see the kind of zigzag movement which has happened. So I was trying to be neutral, but again bank nifty tried to come down. There was a big candle as well, and there was nothing which you can do because there was no clarity at all in the direction of market. It was just trying to go up and down, up and down, up and down, and you can see we are in a loss of close to 45,000 as of now. I have made my positions slightly bearish. Okay, but then it's already 3 o'clock, so I had closed all my positions with a loss of around 42,000 change. Today the brokerages and the charges are going to be higher because a lot of adjustments done. So this was how bank nifty behaved today friends, and I was just trying to follow the direction what it was trying to give, and it was an utter waste of time. If at all you see today's movement, just zooming out so that you can see the entire path. Okay, so it was the worst, I should say one of the worst day for trading in bank nifty. neither it was going up, neither it was coming down, it was just trying to give all kind of zigzag movements, and which really destroyed. But as I told you, I have kept my losses minimal. It's only just 0.45% of my capital. It will not hurt me, and it will not destroy my balance as well. So let's see, we have Wednesdays and Thursdays coming for us, and hopefully we get very good profits. Okay friends, hope you like the video. If any doubts, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.